Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of boat trailer guides with a focus on our 31 inches - 48 adjustable design that promises to make your boating experience smoother and more efficient. These innovative boat trailer guides stand out with their unique double-layer thickening, featuring a robust inner metal pipe wrapped in a durable PVC outer layer, ensuring a longer service life compared to standard PVC pipes. With the added flexibility of adjustable connectors, you can choose between 31-inch and 48-inch options, each designed to streamline your boat loading process by keeping your vessel securely in place without shifting. Constructed from heavy-duty iron and PVC, these guides are built to withstand impact, resisting deformation and bending for long-lasting durability. Plus, each guide rod kit is galvanized, offering superior rust and corrosion resistance, so you can trust them to protect your pontoon boat trailer guides even in harsh conditions like sunlight, rain, or prolonged seawater exposure. Whether you're hauling a ski boat, fishing boat, or sailboat, these trailer guide poles are engineered to enhance your boating adventures by making loading faster, safer, and more reliable. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great boating tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.